Yes. We will start with Asatoma Sadgamaya. Yes. Adyat. Yes, Shiva. Adyat will start Asatoma Sadgamaya. Oh, I want all to join your hands and close your eyes. Adyat, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Adyat, start. Yes. Sadgamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amritam Gamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Okay, Adya, thank you. Yes. Vaishnavi? Vaishnavi?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Yes. Ready? Please, Vidya, put on Vaishnavi spotlight. She will say the date and tithi. Yes, Vaishnavi. Krodhi Nama Samvatsara.
Krodhi Nama Samvatsara.
Varsha Rutu.
Varsha Rutu.
Bhadrapada Masa.
Bhadrapada Masa.
Bahula
Bahula
Saptami.
Saptami.
And Tuesday, Mangalavara.
Mangalavara.
Very good. Very nice, Vaishnavi. Thank you very much. Okay. Now, Shreya, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Shreya. Yes, Shreya.
Yes.
Shreya. Yes. Now, invocation song by Shreya. Shreya, are you ready? Start.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Start.
Shakti Sahita Ganapatim Shankaradi Sevitam Virakta Sakala Munivarasura Rajavinuta Guruguham Bhaktani Poshakam Bhavasutam Vinayakam Bhukti Mukti Pradam Bhushitangam Raktapadambujam Bhavayami Shakti Sahita Ganapatim 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 Ganapatim.
Thank you, Shreya. Very nice. Thank you very much, Shreya.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Now, I am very much happy to see you all together with nicely dressed and all. So let us start. Welcome all of you. Okay. Namaste all of you. First, a warm welcome to our special guest also, Vijay Lakshmi Amma. Okay. This is the 25th Abhyasa program, Amma, and this is the information for all of you. We are happy to announce this is the 25th Abhyasa program. And thank you for being with us today. Okay. I also extend a heartfelt welcome to all the parents and friends and family and who are all wants join here, grandparents and who have to support the kids and who have come to support us today also. Okay, and big welcome to all the participants. So wish you all the best. I would like to welcome Vidya ma'am and also the Samskara teachers who are the backbone of this our class. Okay, let us all stay till the end to cheer all the amazing performance. Okay, I hope you all have a wonderful time. Let us all enjoy. Let us all rock. Okay, you are all looking so beautiful. Dhruva, yes, Vedant, and Vaishnavi, And Shiva is there. All of you do namaskara once to Adyat. He is so nicely dressed up and sitting seriously as Shiva. Atharva, thank you, Atharva. Shreya, very good, very nice to see you all. Okay, now, now I want to introduce our special guest, Vijayalakshmi Amma. Okay, she is actually Kannada teacher. Okay, she did her diploma in mass communication and journalism. And she is raised in cultural rich environment that made her to passion for various arts and craft, including badminton, dancing, and singing. So she is an all-rounder. As a lecturer in both degree and PU colleges, she has guided 500 students in cultural programs. So we are very much lucky to have her today. And actually, currently, she is residing in Davanagere. And she is serving as honorary teacher for speech and hearing, and that is in ADHD. That is hearing impaired children, and offers free counseling to the children there. So here, with her dedication to education and cultural engagement, has made her a respected figure in the community. So we are all very happy to welcome her here. Namaste, Amma. Namaste. You are mute. You are in mute, Amma. Please unmute. Yes, Amma.
Okay.
Yes. Yes, Amma. You are now audible.
I think you are hearing now.
Yes, 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 yes.
Yesterday you were not there. Your good name?
Veena. I am Vidyashree's mother, Amma.
Okay. So nice to meet you. So nice. Santosha. Bahala Santosha. ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಭೇಟಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
I am also one of the teacher of Sanskara program.
ಹಾ, ಹಾ, ಹಾ. ನೆನ್ನೆ
Yes,
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ವಿದ್ಯಾ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ನೆನ್ನೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು.
Yes. Okay, okay, Amma. We are very much happy.
Okay.
Enjoy ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವುನು ಮಾತಾಡೋಣ, ಜೊತೆನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋಣ ಇನ್ನ 1 hour. Okay, Amma. So yes, yes. Okay, let us start the program. Yes, I want to call Vaishnavi to start Devi Lakshmi. Vaishnavi.
Devi Lakshmi Mam Pahi
Deena.
Deenaya Parimam Pahi Shirabditanahe Mam Pahi Vishnuvil Sarvamangale Mam Pahi Vishnuvilole Mam Pahi Sarasi Janilaye Mam Pahi Devi Lakshmi Mam Pahi Devi Lakshmi Mam Pahi.
Very good, Vaishnavi. Very nice. Next, Suryansh Jnananandamayam. Come on, Suryansh.
Mayam Devam Nimmal Smatika Kutim Ajara Sarva Vidyanam Ayagivamupasma.
Very nice, Shri Suryansh. I have to call him Shri Suryansh. Otherwise, he don't listen to me. That is his speciality. I have to call him Shri Suryansh. Thank you, Shri Suryansh. Now, Atharva. Yes, Atharva. Ado Devaki Devi. Yes, Atharva. Come on.
Wait. Mudagarathamodakam sada vimukhisadakam kaladharavatam sakam vilasilokaraksakam anayakaikanayakam vinashite buddhaichakam matashuvashurashakam namamitam vinayakam. Amma,
Natetarati.
wait.
1 second, I missed spotlighting him. So he
Yes.
the spotlight. Sorry.
Yes.
That will go. Don't worry. You sing.
Let's
Muda
continue.
Modakam Sada Vimukti Sadakam Paladaravatam Sakam Vilasilokarakshakam Anayakaikanayakam Vinashiteva Daitakam Natashubhachunashak Namami Tam Vinayakam Natetayati Bhikaram Namohitakam Basaram Namatsurari Nirjaram Nadaditapadurjaram Sureshwaram Indeshwaram Tamashmai Ganeshwaram Tameshwaram
Maheshwaram.
Tamashmai
Parataram.
Nirantaram Samastalokashankaram Hidastataicha Kunjaram Daredarovaram
Vareva.
Samaksharam
Krupakaram.
Samakaram Akaram Yashaskaram Namaskaram
Manaskaram.
Manaskaram
Namaskritam.
Namaskritam
Namaskaromi bhaswaram. Thank you.
Okay, okay. Start and continue Adav Devaki Devi Garbhajananam. It's yes, yes, Atharva.
I want
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. I will come to you once again. Okay.
I want to tell Ganapati Palaya.
No, that I will give you a chance once again. Okay. Now Adyat will start Nachora Haryam Subhashitam. Okay. Adyat, come on. Shiva, come on, Shiva. Yes, Subhashitam. Nacharaja.
గట్టిగా మా పాత్ర
Sarvadahari
పాత్ర
Vyeye Krute.
పర్వాలేదు పాడు
Eva Nityam. Sarva. Pradhanam. Very nice. Very nice, Adyat. Now Vedant. Vedant. Yes, Vedant. Second Subhachita, Acharyat. Looking so cute, Krishna. Yes, Acharyat.
Ashayat
Padamadatte.
Paramadapti
Padam Shishya. Padam Shishya.
Padam Shishya
Sumitaya.
Swamitaya
Padam Sabram. Padam
Paramusabrahma
Brahmacharibhya.
Pravashaviya
Padam Galam.
Padam
Padam Ka. Kramena cha.
Kwamitacha
Krameyacha. Very good. Very good, Adyan. Super. Now Shreya. Jnananandamayam. Yes, Shreya.
Yes, ma'am. Nananandamam Devam Nirmalaspatikakrutim Adaram Sarva Vidyanam Hayagrivam Upasmahe.
Very nice, Shreya. Now Dhruva. Dhruva, come on.
Adav Devi.
Adav Devaki Devi Kaubitsaninam
Vidya, make him spotlight.
Gopi Prahevardhanam Maya Putani Jivitavanam Govardhanam Dharanam Kamsa Chetana Kaurapadyanam Kuntisata Palanam Ekapagavitam Pranakatanam Shri Krishna Leelamritam.
Very good. See, Krishna himself explaining the story of Krishna. It's so nice to see Dhruva. Thank you, Dhruva. Okay. Now Dhrutika.
Devi Lakshmi.
Yes, Dhrutika. Devi Lakshmi.
Dinadaya Parimampahi.
Shiva.
Shiva Vipanaye Mampahi.
Sarvamama.
Sarva Mangali Mampahi.
Hmm. Hmm.
Vishnu Vilole Mampahi.
Saraswati.
Sarasidale Mampahi.
Thank you, Dhrutika. Super. Now, Dhrutika, continue Brahma Murari. Let us start the Lingashtakam. Yes.
Devam.
Karunakara.
Karunakaram.
Ravanadarpa. Vinash. Sarva Sugandha.
Sarasugandha Shakti. Sarasugandha.
Okay, Atharva. Atharva, continue Sarva Sugandha. Okay. Very nice, Dhrutika. Super, super. Thank you, Dhrutika. With sound effect, she is chanting. She don't want to stop, but I'll give you chance once again. Atharva, continue. Kunkuma Chandana.
Chandana lepita. Right, Amma. Spotlight, Amma.
Oh.
Tena
Pankaja.
Pankajahara Sushobhitalingam Pani Sanchita Papa Vinashakalingam Tat Pranamami Sada Shivalingam Devaganarchita
Sevitalingam.
Devitalingam Bhavaye Bhakti Bhirevachalingam
Dinakara.
Dinakara Koti Prabhakaralingam Tat Pranamami Sada Shivalingam
Ashtadalopari.
Ashdadalopari Veshtitalingam Sarvasamudbhava Karanalingam
Last line.
Last line. Samarth, you want to continue?
Shakalingam
Pranamami.
Sadashivalingam.
Okay. Thank you, Atharva. Now Vedant, first and the second. Lingashtakam.
Brahma Murari. Hello. Start. थोड़ा तेज बोलो.
Brahma Murari Surachitalingam Nirmal Pachit Shobhitalingam
आगे.
Janmajadu.
Nasyatalingam Tatpramamami Tadashivalingam
Devamuni-prava.
Architalingam
Kamadahana.
Karunalingam Vavanarapata Vavinashalingam Tatpramamami Sadashivalingam.
Very good. Suryansh, third and fourth. Sarva Sugandha. Shri Suryansh.
Danda सुलेपितलिङ्गम्
बुद्धिविवर्धन
कारणलिङ्गम्
सिद्धसुरासुर
सुरासुर
Hmm.
पण्डितलिङ्गम्
Hmm.
तप्पममामि सदा शिवलिङ्गम्
कनक
कनकनामणि भूषितलिङ्गम्
Panipati
पतिवेष्टितकादनलिङ्गम्
Shobhitalingam.
पितलिङ्गम्
Hmm.
दक्षसुयत्नविनाशकलिङ्गम्
Tat-
तप्पममामि सदा शिवलिङ्गम्
Thank you, Sri Suryansh. Shri Vaishnavi, 4th and 5th.
कनक महामणि
Yes. Yes, Vaishnavi. Yes, Vaishnavi.
कनकमहामणिभूषितलिङ्गम् फणिपतिवेष्टितशोभितलिङ्गम्
Dakshasu
दक्षसुयज्ञविनाशकलिङ्गम् तप्रणमामि सदा शिवलिङ्गम्
Kunkuma Chandana
कुमचन्दनलेपितलिङ्गम्
Pankaja
नर सुशोभितलिङ्गम् सञ्चितपाप विनाशकलिङ्गम् तप्रणमामि सदा शिवलिङ्गम्
Thank you, Vaishnavi. Dhruva Devaganarchita. Dhruva.
एकगणाचितैवितलिङ्गम् भक्ति पुरेचकलिङ्गम् दिनकनकोटिपपकरलिङ्गम् तप्रणमामि सदा शिवलिङ्गम्
वेष्टित
विष्टितलिङ्गम् सर्वसमुपकारिणलिङ्गम्
Daridra Vinashanalingam.
तप्रणमामि सदा शिवलिङ्गम्
Very good. Nice to hear from Krishna's mouth. Okay, next Adhyat, 8th one. Suraguru.
चितलिङ्गम्
गट्टिगा
चितलिङ्गम्
पदम
Lingam.
इदं पुण्यं यत्पदं सविदं कमलानोति शिवया
Very nice, very nice. I think all of you got the chance for Lingashtakam, no? Am I left anybody?
Ma'am,
No.
I didn't get.
Oh, you didn't get. You could start Brahma Murari, Shreya.
ब्रह्ममुरारिसुरार्चितलिङ्गं निर्मलभाषितशोभितलिङ्गं जन्मजदुःखविनाशनलिङ्गं तत्प्रणमामि सदा शिवलिङ्गं देवमुनिप्रवरार्चितलिङ्गं कामदहनकरुणाकरलिङ्गम्
Ravana.
रावणदर्प विनाशनलिङ्गं तत्प्रणमामि सदा शिवलिङ्गम्
Yes, thank you, Shreya. Which is the role play you are doing, Shreya?
राधे
Radhe. So you are looking so cute. Krishna is also there. Radhe is also there. Wow, nice. Thank you,
Thank you,
Shreya.
ma'am.
Thank you, Shreya. Yes, yes. Now I think I think anybody wants to chant any other shloka. Only one chance.
me
Yes, Dhruva.
what is that?
कृष्णाय
कृष्णाय वासुदेवाय देवकी नन्दनाय च नन्दगोपकुमाराय Govindaya Namo Namaha.
Okay,
Ma'am.
thank you, Dhruva. Nice. Okay.
I
All of,
have to say something.
yes, tell me, Shreya.
I wanna chant.
Yes.
Mushika Vahana Modaka Hasta Chamarkarna Vilambita Sutra Vamana Rupa Maheshwara Putra Vigna Vinayaka Pada Namaste.
Thank you, Shreya. Very nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
All of you chanted so nicely. I'm happy to see you all. Now, Vidya. Yes, Vijay Lakshmi ma'am. Yes, all the kids completed the shlokas which they have to chant. I want you to guide the kids and express your feelings. Unmute yourself, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, I think you are hearing.
Yes, you are audible.
Which language is better? I think English,
Yes, English, ma'am. English.
because
Ma'am, kids are from Australia. They all are staying in
Yeah.
Australia and they speak multiple languages, Telugu, Tamil and all. So
I know that. No problem.
Mhm.
Kids, totally, they are very cute, very smart, and enthusiastic. Their innocence in their face, I love that. The way you are teaching, I think it is very good.
Thank you.
Kids are impressed by that. Kids are showing so much of love towards you, and you are showing affection, love, and teaching them very well.
Thank you, ma'am.
Totally, pronunciation of the kids, very good, excellent. They are too small.
Yes.
They are too small. And their memory, they are having very good memory. But sometimes some provocation is needed for them. That's all. Shreya, she is excellent. Her memory, pronunciation, rhythm, shruti, everything very good. Shakti Sahita Ganapatim, she chanted very well. Even Brahma Murari. And in the end, she chanted one Ganapati. So, that was also very good. She's having very good future.
Thank you,
I
Amma.
think
She is the student from past 4-5 years, Amma. There are so many students are with us from past 5 years.
How old she is? She is probably between 6 to 7.
No. Shreya, Rupa, what is her age?
5 years. She's
Yes.
5 years. I thought 5 to 6 years. Okay. Good. I think she's your daughter.
No, she's Rupa. Her mother is Rupa.
I saw her mother. She's
Rupa,
there.
can you come on?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, she's there.
Namaste, ma'am. Thank you for the compliment for share.
Your daughter is having good future and
Thank
all.
you. Thank you, ma'am. It's all God's blessings, ma'am.
Continue, definitely.
Sure, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
She is learning classical Karnataka Sangeeta.
We just started, but we couldn't continue since I was occupied and I had another baby. But yeah, I'm planning to enroll her once again because she has good memory and her concentration is really good.
Okay. You are giving her full support. Wish her
Yeah.
And one thing, Vijay Lakshmi Amma, she is the one who supports Vidya so much. She don't want to say no to any of our Vidya's program. She is immediately join without asking second question. She'll
We like this platform, ma'am. Vidya ma'am is the best we have found.
Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
So such that so many parents are supporting us our program, Vijay Lakshmi Amma. So we are continuing with enthusiasm.
Shreya, you are looking very cute in Radha dress.
Thank you, ma'am.
And Krishna, Ishwara, he was so naughty and all.
Yeah, Adya, Dhruva, all kids are so much dedicated. Parents are also,
Kritika's body language, excellent.
yes.
Children, they should be like that only.
Thank you.
Otherwise, we can't call them kids. Huh? Nice. I felt so happy with the program and all. Wishing you all the best. Huh? Really, I am so dhanyawada. You made
Thank
me to participate in this program, special program. So it is new experience to me. I enjoyed this fully. Thank you. Thank you, Amma.
Thank you, Amma. Thank you. It's nice
Thank
to
you
have
so
you here.
much.
I regrow my thoughts, Vidya and all parents and kids. Wish them all the best on behalf of me. Okay.
Thank you, Amma. You are all with us for the complete program, and you bless the kids. It's nice to have blessings from you, Amma. Thank you very much, Amma.
Once again, let us meet again. Okay, thank you.
Yes, Amma. Amma, yes, stay till the end. Parents will also they give us also feedback, and we will end up in 5 to 10 minutes, Amma.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. You can continue.
Yes. Thank you, Amma. Yes.
Over. I hear my part is over. I will hear the parents.
Yes, Amma, definitely. Yeah, definitely. And the role play they have all done there with dedication, and it's nice to see you, all of you. Vaishnavi, nice dress, and the Vedant, Hanuman, Jai Hanuman. Hold it properly.
Jai Sri Ram.
Yes. Say loudly, Jai Hanuman. Jai Hanuman. Very good. Krishna, hold the flute properly. Radhe, Krishna. Wow, Shiva changed his dress. Hey, please, all of you, please share your pics, okay? Because Shiva is free now. Now Adyat is there. Adyat, hi Adyat. Very good, very nice to see you all. Vaishnavi, Dhruva, and then am I left anybody? All of you looking so great. Shri Suryansh, very nice. And I request all the parents to share your experience for these 3 months. And now if you raise your hand, I can, we will put you on spotlight. Anybody wants to share? Yes. Monica? Yes.
My son is in the classes since the last two batches, ma'am. So he has learned Guru Ashtakam from you. So he can say all the 8 shlokas, but with little prompting. And now Lingashtakam also is very much thorough. So I'm happy that he is learning good values and morals from teachers like you. So very happy with the classes.
Thank you.
He's only 3 years old now. He's 3 years, 1 month old. But the way the way he's learning the shlokas and chanting them gives me so much of happiness and so much of I feel so much happy because he's so small and with his cute words he's trying to chant whatever is possible and he's learning so fast. So definitely I'm happy with the
and he learns also aram se, no, without any obstacle he learns, but sometimes his mood changes.
Sometimes he becomes naughty.
Yeah, today also because of mood, otherwise he don't stop at all. Okay, nice Vedant. Oh, sorry, Nadyat. Super super. Yes, thank you Monica.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you for the support.
Thank you, Chakku ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Yes, anybody wants to share? Vanita?
Satya Praveen had raised the hand.
Hello, madam. I am.
Yes.
I am uncle of Vaishnavi.
Vidya, please make him spotlight. Vidya, are you there?
His video is not on. Make him. spotlight. His video
Yes,
is not.
yes, sir.
Sorry, I'm uncle of Vaishnavi. I'm
Yes,
attending this session for the first time.
yes.
I quite liked it. Now my niece, looking at my niece, and then all the kids over there. I felt it very, I felt very happy looking at all of them. I feel very, blessed to attend this session.
Thank you,
And
thank you.
thank you, madam. Thank you. And I have a 1-year-old kid. I get that motivation to make him participate. As soon as he can pick up all these things. So it's twice night attending this session. Thanks for it.
Thank you very much, sir. Your wonderful words. And Vaishnavi is so smart. With dedication, she sits and she completes and she move on. She don't look at me also sometimes. I used to say her, she will do something, she will draw something, but she is very sensitive. She learns fast.
Yeah.
That's it. She finishes
Yeah.
her job and she sits.
Yeah, she
First,
called me in the afternoon to attend this session.
yeah, in the beginning, she used to say,
Yeah.
don't call me first. I want to chant afterwards. Now she is ready to chant anytime. Whenever I call, she is ready. Yes, thank you, sir.
Very
Thank
nice
you,
of you,
sir.
madam. Thank you.
Yes, see you soon, sir.
Sure, madam.
Yes. Yes, Rupa. Rupa is non-stop. She is ready to give her feedback for all the Abhyasa programs. So without any doubt, we can call her.
Then Shreya is asking me, can you please tell something? She was just asking me. Yeah, as always, ma'am, we like all your programs. The way it is crafted is what we really enjoy. As in, like, I'm really amazed by the way you put in effort in creating every new worksheet which is done. It keeps the kid engaged, and also it is not repetitive. There's something new each time you do, and the edition which you guys are preparing also, it is like very nice. So it's like for the kids also, it's like it's not that a repetitive thing that they are learning, and it's like they're upgrading. I'm very happy about it. So yeah, any program which you do, we anyway enroll. So next we have enrolled for Aditya Hridayam. So looking forward to it. And once my son is ready, we'll enroll him also. Thank you so much for all your efforts, ma'am. Thank you so much. Sorry, I've not been able to give time to Shreya. Sometimes she cannot participate with sharing her worksheets and all, because my time is not there. But I'll try to put in a little more effort so that her classes are intact going forward.
Yes, but I believe in you. That's why I told to you only to get ready for the invocation song.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, and also
Thank you.
Aditya Hridaya worksheets are also coming so beautifully, and I'm very much happy to see those worksheets. So let us enjoy in the Aditya Hridaya.
Actually, Rupa, what Veenama said is right. The curriculum and the worksheets which are designed for this time, we only are very, very excited to start the program. We're like, when are we going to start Aditya Hridaya? They've come out very, very well. So
Yeah.
we will
Okay.
share the gist of it very soon. So yeah, looking forward. Thank you.
Looking forward to it, ma'am. Thank you
Yes.
to both of you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Rupa. Yes. Anybody else? Yes, Dritika's mother.
Yes, ma'am. I'm so happy that she's saying all the. Initially, she not talking anything. Then after that, she chanted all the 8 poems, ma'am.
Yeah.
She also chanted with when we go outside. Also, she also chanted, and she shared with some of my friends. Also, they also surprised to see her. She's just 2.10 months, ma'am.
Yeah.
2 years and 10 months old. Initially, I was like, why I joined her too early? She's not even talking.
Yes.
Like that, I feel, ma'am.
Yes, she used to chant all the shlokas. She never used to open her mouth only, Dhrutika. So I told her, don't worry, she will be fine. Wait. Now see, she is ready to chant all the shlokas. Very good, Dhrutika.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Yes, Dhruva's mother. Yes, yes, ma'am.
Hi, ma'am. So Dhruva really enjoys the classes. He loves like repeating after you, and he's always showing something like his toy,
Yeah.
or he loves drawing as well in your class. So I think
Yeah.
that aspect of your class is very nice, your curriculum, where you you know, encourage right brain activities as well. So because like at this age he's very fidgety and he is always wanting to do something,
Yeah.
so it's nice that when he's listening to passively listening to the other kids, he's also drawing something, so that keeps him engaged and while he's listening as well. So I really like that aspect, and he enjoys being in the class. He looks forward to it. Even after childcare, he comes home and he's ready for the class. So that's great. I like to see that interest in him as well. So it's really nice to have him join these classes and learn shlokas from you.
Thank you, thank you. And I have to see his toys also. He never missed
Yeah.
to see. Yeah, I have to see the drawing also and toys also regularly. Adhyat, yes, nice flute, Dhruva. I have to see. And if Dhruva is in the class, then I don't want anybody to say cheer up, cheer up. His sound only makes everybody to cheer up. Thank you, Dhruva. Yes, thank you.
Veena, even I
Yes.
want.
Yes, please, Vidya ma'am.
Namaste to one and all. This is my little one Atharva's first Samskara program as well, and it is his first Abhyasa. Yes, I couldn't be, I wasn't very regular with my kid, I must say, but he has been listening to Vedama's audios. He has been listening to me singing for other kids and we singing at home. That's how he has learned. And I must tell this. Veena Amma is my mother, and it's his for him his Amma. But whenever she comes home or she calls, he was calling her ma'am, especially in video calls. Ma'am, I want to show you, I want to teach you, I want to tell the shloka and all that. So that is some one change I saw in him, that he is ready to accept his own grandmother as a teacher, first thing. Second thing is that dedication that, okay, she will ask. So as soon as she comes, I need to chant and all that was something I never expected it. So thank you so much, Veena Amma. Looking forward to continue this batch itself. We are very comfortable with this.
Thank you, Vidya. Thank you, Vidya. And when I visit his, when I was with him, he was so shy to see me, because he treats sometime for a minute as a teacher, and then he talks as a Veena Amma. That is the beauty I can see him. Yes, Vidya, thank you. Yes,
Thank you.
anybody? Yes, Sri Suryansh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah, I
Vidya,
like your
please make her
curriculum
put her on a
and
spotlight.
for the last batch, he is like, I need to sit with him, but for this batch, I can sit, I can do my work, and he is ready
Yes.
to chant all the shlokas very well. And now he is very much interested also. He's asking, it is getting late, Amma, get speaker, get everything, laptop. He is arranging everything for him. Yeah, he is enjoying a lot, and he learned Lingashtakam all slokas, but the
Yes.
last two one I need to prompt him. Now he is doing very well, ma'am. So
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Sri Suryansh. Yes, thank you. Yes. Vanita?
Yes, ma'am.
Please.
So
Yes.
it's like Vedant's first time,
Yes.
and like not expecting him to sit, like he's very shy. He doesn't open up. So you can see, like, even if he's saying very slowly.
Yes.
And if I record the videos, you can clearly hear him. So he becomes very shy whenever there are like other people. But I can see now, even if he's playing, he's like, he chant the Lingashtakam, like even if he doesn't know the complete one, he'll chant a few words. And
Yes.
whenever he like, first he learned was the Ado Devaki Devi.
Yes.
So every now and then, even in the night, he's like, okay, Mama, let's sing the Ado Devaki Devi.
Yes.
I chanted that and I tell him the whole meaning, like it's about Kishan ji. So
Yeah.
he's learning all those things, and he's not very good with the Hindi as well. So his pronunciation is here and there, but he's I can see the improvement. Like he want to like now sing. Now he's learning. Now we have started showing him the all the TVs, all our like Ram Katha, Shri Krishna Katha. Now he can
Yes.
relate.
Yes,
Now,
yes.
now I tell him as well when we visit temple, okay, this is Lingam, this is Nandi. Teacher was telling about Nandi ji. So now he's able to relate it as well. So he's
And
happy.
he's so prompt. I can see him. He dedicatively he sits and listen. I know, not always, but he is ready to listen. That is the beauty of him.
Earlier, he used to tell us like, okay, when because we used to do meeting for our office, so he like, I don't do any meeting. Now it's like this is my meeting time.
Yeah,
That's how I
and
said,
he's
okay.
regular. Yeah, that is very good. Thank you, Vanita. Yes.
Thank
Yes.
you.
Yes, thank you. Okay. Now, Vidya, anybody
I
wants?
would like to share my screen.
Yes. Yes.
So this is our Aditya Hridaya workbook, which we have recently designed for our upcoming batch. And Australia batch will also continue with the Aditya Hridaya workbook itself. This time we have included both the shloka and the workbook within itself, just like Hanuman Chalisa, which we had done before, so that they can learn about the shloka and hold it that way. So Aditya Hridaya is mainly about how Rama got confidence to face Ravana, and Agastya Muni explaining about the importance of Surya. So Aditya Hridaya is all about it. We will be learning Pancha Mahabhutas, different names of Surya, different horses, 7 different horses of Surya's Ratha. They'll be having a role play where they will enact as Rama, and photosynthesis, water cycle, solar system, eclipse, concepts of Grahana and Amavasya. All of these things will be included in this edition. And we all know that Surya is none other than Brahma, Vishnu and Maheshwara himself, which we have learnt in our latest, in our previous editions as well. So this is something which is very, very interesting, and we are also doing this for the first time. It will be a very melodious stotra to learn. Apart from this, they will do a lot of craft activities, like they'll be doing a dream catcher and frame, name board and all that. Apart from this, we will also be celebrating Dasara and Deepavali together, which we cannot forget. And this is all our preparation for Ratha Saptami, which is coming up in the month of January. So this is something I wanted to share with all of you, since all of you are together here with us. So looking forward for Aditya Hridaya edition. And I must thank Veena Amma for being so supportive. All the new editions, any new inclusions, for everything she is with us. Thank you, Amma, for so much of support. And most importantly, this time in Svaya Shikshana, since it is Aditya Hridaya and Surya being the main theme, we are introducing Surya Namaskara to all the kids. They will learn different forms of Surya Namaskaras. While kids are singing and doing the worksheets, this time some kids will also be doing Surya Namaskaras hand in hand while they are learning stotras. So this is the most special edition, which is what we are expecting. So starting from October, this is just a teaser kind of a thing. Say, there is more and more ahead. And apart from this, if you want us to start a separate Bhagavad Gita batch for Australia kids, please let us know. Because so apart from Aditya Hridaya is what we are saying, weekly one session or something, we can start a Bhagavad Gita class for the same students. Same batch can have happen 3 days in a week, so that you can also participate in the world record event of Bhagavad Gita, where kid will be given 5 minutes of chanting time. We will prepare you. This is in the month of December. So this is all what I wanted to share with all the parents. Thank you so much for being here till now, and thank you for all your continued support. let us know if you have any doubts. You can DM us. You can ask Veena Amma or me. You can get back to us so that we will help you. And do not think that Aditya Hridaya is a big stotra, whether kid will learn
No,
or no,
they will
don't
learn.
your children. They are all just like sponge. They can attract anything and everything. And with the kids together, which is one of the reason why I I even encouraged my kids to join one of the batches of Samskara, because when they are with their friends, the way they listen and learn is totally different than learning only with the mother. That group is very, very important. Sangha, good Sangha is very important. Now my kid knows all the kids' names. He will be remembering that, okay, this friend of mine has come as Shiva. Next time I will also do. They get motivated and they learn together. So yeah, this is what I wanted to share. Thank you so much for
Yes.
listening.
Thank you, Vidya, for all the information. And I want all of you to see in the next Aditya Hridaya session also. And this is the 23rd class. So one more class is left from my side. So day after tomorrow, I'll be taking as revision class, and another song also I'm going to teach them. So all of you attend, because one class is pending. Okay, so day after tomorrow you have class, and before that we have to chant Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinaha. That is Vaishnavi. Vaishnavi is the leading. I want all of you to join with her. No problem. Okay, all of you join your hands and close your eyes. Vaishnavi, start. Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinaha. Yes.
Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinaha.
Sarve Santu.
Nirama.
Continue. Sarve
Santu.
Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kaschit Dukkha Bhag Bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Okay. All of you rub. Keep it on your eyes and slowly open your eyes and look at your beautiful hand with beautiful smile. Okay. It was nice to see you all so beautifully dressed, and we will all meet you on day after tomorrow, that is Thursday. Okay. For the last class of this session, we learn new song. Okay. See you all in the class. Yes, Vidya?
This is a new beginning.
Yes.
Don't stop the class. It's a new
Yes, of course, new beginning. Okay. Thank you all. Yes.
Bye.
Bye, Vedant, Vaishnavi, Suryansh, Ritika, Shreya. Bye.
Bye. Ram.